Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Practice 24, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Rana.
Hello, Rana, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's really good to be here today.
What is your name?
My name is Tanya.
Very beautiful name. What is your father's name?
My father's name is MD Azam.
Where do you live?
We live in the village of Rapasai.
Which police station does Raposhi fall under?
Raposhi falls under Aniyatpur police station.
And which is your district?
Our district is Sirajanj.
Can you tell me something about Sirajanj district?
Yes, sir. Sirajanj is a beautiful district of Bangladesh. There are many rivers and agricultural lands here.
Very good. How is the environment in your village?
The environment in our village is very peaceful and beautiful. There are green trees all around. The people are also very nice.
What kind of work do the people in your village do?
Most of the people do farming. Some do business, some have jobs.
Do you study?
Yes, sir, I study.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 9.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects are Bengali and English.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a good person and an established person in the future.
Very good. What did you learn from your father?
My father taught me to be honest and respect everyone.
How is the school in your village?
The school in our village is very good. The teachers teach sincerely.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read books, play sports with friends, and spend time with my family.
Do you like village life?
Yes, sir, I like village life very much. It is peaceful here, and everyone lives together.
Which aspect of village do you like more than city?
I like the open environment of village, clean air, and sincerity of people. I like the open environment of village, clean air, and sincerity of people.
You spoke very nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much to you too.